speak more than one language, or you have a different language other than English as your primary language, then stick around. You're going to want to know how to update your profile to show all the languages that you actually speak. Let's go. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and today we are going to update our profiles to be able to show the languages on our profile that we speak. So what we're going to do first, we're going to log into command. That's agent.kw.com, agent.kw.com. You're going to click on your name in the upper right corner, and you're going to click on My Profile. Once you do that, you're going to make sure that you're in the About Me section here, and you're going to click on Edit. You're going to scroll down all the way to the languages section and make sure you choose your preferred language. That would be your first language. And then if you speak any other languages. And so yes, I do speak English and I also speak Spanish. So si necesita alguien en español, yo puedo ayudarle. Okay, so pick your language. Put it in the box and then click Save Changes. Once you've done that, it should show up here under Languages Spoken. And so other agents will be able to find you if they need an agent with that language. So I hope this helps. Next week, I'm going to show you how to go find other agents in other market centers or your own market center that speak the language you're looking for. So stay tuned.